A bunting is a rows of brightly colored small flags hung across a room or above a stage as a decoration for special occasions or festivities. A bunting banner is also much easier to hang than a traditional banner, and you can also customize your own bunting banner using Google Docs, and here's how. First, you have to open a new document and set up your document's page size found in the File tab, and then select Page Setup. You can choose which size you need, but here we'll make it to a letter paper size to form a large bunting banner. Next is to choose a shape you want your bunting to be. Do this by navigating to the Insert tab, click on Drawing, and select New. When the drawing pane appears, choose your shape, and you can select which shape you wish. Once you've drawn your shape, you can change its size, color of the fill, and outline. Then add in a letter using Word Art found in the Actions tab, then choose Word Art. The Enter Word Art text box will appear. Type in your letter and you can even choose your font, font size, and the font color. Make sure to align the word art inside your shape, and then click Save and Close. And once inserted, on the Layout options, choose Behind Text so you can move the picture on the document. And to save time, you can copy this banner by right-clicking and then select Copy. Or you can also press Ctrl-C to copy, and then paste it on the next page, or you can also press Ctrl-V. With the new banner, you can just change the letters by clicking the object, and then type in the next letter. And with that, you can print these letters and hang it as a festive decoration. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.